Hello everyone and welcome to section 3 of common issues with maps in Tableau. In this video we're going to focus on custom maps. But first, let's see what custom maps are and why do we need them. Well, there are only 3 existing map styles in Tableau. A lot of the times we need to add specific layers to the map or subtract specific layers from our map. Sometimes we need to use different map styles than the existing ones in Tableau. Maybe to fit into our overall design style or to just make the information pop due to different reasons. For those reasons, we need to use map services such as Mapbox. Great. Now, without further ado, let's jump into Tableau and see how we can make custom maps. Okay, great. Here we are. Let's just go ahead and see the sales of different countries in Europe. I'm using the EU Superstore dataset. So for that, I'm gonna double click on country, bring it into the view, and then I'm gonna put sales onto colors shelf. Great. Now, here is our map view. Let's say we want to add a layer, subtract a layer, or generally customize it so that it looks better, it conveys the messages that we want more clearly, anything. For that, I need to go to map, go to map layers, and here we are. So here we have the styles. We have normal, light, and dark, so I'm just going to change it to normal, for instance. It looks different, you see. This is changing the overall style of your map. And I do have a lot of different options here to either add or subtract from my map. For instance, let's say I don't want to have the names of the countries on my map, which sometimes you may need to just to declutter your map. So I'm just going to get rid of the names of the countries by unchecking this box. See? All the names are gone. I'm just going to bring them back. Great. So you do have different options here to either add or subtract from your map. And you can always wash out your map. So I'm just going to go ahead, play with it, and you can see what happens. So simply it washes out the whole map. Okay, great. Now, here are the built-in capabilities for using maps in Tableau. What if we're looking for a more artistic style? Or we're looking for a very specific style of map with our very own defined layers? For that, we need to use map services such as Mapbox. But how? Maps, background maps, going to map services. Here, I'm going to add a Mapbox map. I have 2 different options. I'm just going to go with the classic option, which is more straightforward, but the Mapbox GL option is also on the table. That's pretty straightforward too. But here we just need to type in our style name. Let's say customized map. And then here we need to have an API access token. This is where you need to go to Mapbox, create an account, and get your API token from there and just copy paste it over here. After that, we have the style that we want to have as our map style. We have different styles. Let's say we want to see the comic version. We're going to click on it, and then here we just need to copy paste our API token here. Okay, here we are. I copy pasted my API token and clicked OK, and see what do we have here. Awesome! A customized map, a style of map which is not built in Tableau. I chose the comic version, the comic style, so you can see how easily we changed our map style and brought in our very own custom map.